Oh my god!
Hello.
Oh, what is happening, bro?
What the fuck was that?
Yo, everything that's going on is not. Not gonna lie, Slippery and me is mad good.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Hey yo.
Nah. On serious shit,
Hey yo.
it has saved me so many times.
Hey yo, what
Hey
the fuck?
yo.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Every time I be on it, I easily get off.
Hey yo, what the fuck? What?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I get off easy.
Hey yo.
Yo.
The chances of the me playing more Slippery is by 4%.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo. Eric on some shit today.
Like, do we sound good? Do you sound good? Does Eric sound good?
Everybody say hey yo.
Hey yo.
Alright, y'all good. Y'all sound like sexy boys.
Yes, Poppy. What? What was that? Hit the pallet! Hit the pallet!
Oh my god!
Hello.
Yo, but when I'm a killer, it hits me though. When I'm a killer, it hits me.
What's that?
Oh my fucking god!
I was gonna buy the tip for the pen, but apparently it's
Hey
scratched.
yo! Hey yo!
Oh, fucking
You're gonna
hate
buy the
you.
what, Randy?
The tip. I was saying, how mad would you guys be if I say I want to go back to Overwatch?
Fuck Overwatch.
Fuck
Oh,
me.
no. Where? Hey yo, what the fuck?
And you know, by 9 o'clock, I'll be doing that caca.
What?
I don't like peepees. I like tatas.
What is he saying?
After midnight, I'ma show my wawa.
What?
I'm an adult, not a baby. Goo goo gaga.
I gotta get.
You know, I got the, I got the moves about to come in like
Fire!
What? Go to sleep, man.
I'm laughing in Spanish, like ja ja.
Mm.
What is going
You said
on here?
I just evolved Charmeleon into Charizard. You know, he got that fire.
He got that fire, but you know what they call me? They call me Papa.
Oh shit!
Stop! Please stop! Please!
You know what I be smoking?
Oh god.
That Zaza.
Oh my god. Yo, Randy, if you're not making videos of this tomorrow, I'm getting mad.